Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share with you this beautiful Pinata cake pops. This will be a Valentine's Day special video, so please keep on watching. So for this beautiful Pinata cake pops, we will need cake sponge. I am using 250 grams of chocolate cake sponge. And now I have this 80 grams of melted dark chocolate. I have totally melted it and put it in a piping bag. Now take a clean bowl and add the cake sponge into it. And now break the cake sponge like this with your hands. Just make it like the breadcrumbs. Now add the melted 80 grams dark chocolate into it. So mix everything nicely, and after some time you will see that it will form into a dough, as you can see. So now here I have 200 grams of white chocolate. I am using 2 Cocoa's white chocolate. Now I will melt this into microwave. You can melt it into a double boiler, but melt this into a microwave, just giving 30 seconds time. So for making the white chocolate red, I will be using this powdered chocolate color. You can also use oil color, but do not use gel color. So I will be using this powdered chocolate color. I will add a little at a time and mix it with spatula until I get the desired red color. And this is it. I will stop over here. So here I have Pinata silicone mold. So if you don't know from where to buy this kind of mold, I will leave the link in the description box. You can go and check it out. Or if you are having any bakery shop around you, so you can go over there and collect it from there too. So for the next, I will start filling the cavities like this with white chocolate and evenly spread it out like this with the help of a spoon or a small spatula. After filling all the cavities, I will keep this thing aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not put this mold into the freezer. Let it set for 10 to 15 minutes just in room temperature, and it will be like this. So please do not put this thing into the freezer at this stage. So now I will fill this chocolate cavities with the chocolate cakes. Just take 10 to 15 grams in your hand and mold it, and then fill the chocolates like this, molding it into a heart shape. The chocolates should fill about 70% of the cavity, as you can see. And like this I will fill all the cavities. So I will add this melted chocolate. This is optional. So just add this melted chocolate into it. And now all the cavities are prepared. What I will do, I will just pour the leftover white chocolate into the cavities like this. So tap a little bit like this so that the air should come out, and the chocolate should fill the places that it hasn't filled. Now like this, take off all the excess chocolate. After taking all the excess chocolate, then I will put this mold into the freezer for just 20 minutes. While the chocolates are freezing, prepare a bowl of warm water and on it place a still or a glass plate like this and keep it aside. I have just taken out my chocolates. As you can see, they are set. I will just take out one chocolate and I will show you how it is. And as you can see, it is looking so gorgeous. So now I will take the hot bowl and I will just place this chocolates on the bowl so that the cake pops should get a sharp and nice edge. Like this, I will clear the edges. So I am done with cleaning all the edges. Now I will start decorating it. So first I will use the previous powdered red color, and with the help of a makeup brush, normal makeup brush, I will just brush it off like this. And now I will use golden luster dust and I will brush it on the hearts to give it a little glittery look. I will do this thing with all the chocolates. So now I have 20 grams of melted chocolate over here and little love sprinkles. So I will take little amount of white chocolate on spatula and make this kind of drizzling design and add little sprinkles just like this. So for the next design, I will be using the previous chocolate color. I have just mixed it with little amount of water. And I will make this kind of little heart patterns on it. And this is it. So for the next design, I will be using fondant. This will be the lettering one. So I am molding the fondant nicely. So first I will roll the fondant with a makeup brush. If you are having a small rolling pin, then use it. I was not having, so as I'm a jugaru, so I did this with this. Roll it into a thin layer like this and cut the letters like this. And with a I sign, make the plus sign like this. So take your cake pop and assemble like the way I am showing you. Use the previous chocolate color to color this alphabets to give it a little bit shine. And for the last design, I just need a little amount of white chocolate and little edible pearls like this. I will just stick it onto the white chocolate like this. So this is pretty much it, my dear friends, and I hope you all will love it. And if you try this at home, then do share your feedbacks that whether you liked it or not. And if you give this to anyone you love the most, then do share their comments also. And yes, this is it. I hope you all will love it. And yes, if you are new here, I am Ushoshi. I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then do appreciate me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, yes, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.